What is the company's policy of daily cleanup during a painting project?
The company requires maintaining a clean workspace during a painting project to ensure high-quality work and safety.
What are the key components of a daily cleanup routine during a painting project?
The first priority is to maintain a clean workspace by covering furniture and floors with drop cloths. Proper ventilation during the painting process is also important to minimize paint odors and ensure air circulation.
What about paint containers and tools?
Paint brushes and rollers should be cleaned thoroughly at the end of each day to prevent paint buildup. Paint containers should be tightly sealed to prevent spills and keep the area tidy. Any waste should be disposed of in an environmentally friendly manner.
What's the policy on removing paint stains?
If any paint splatters occur, they should be addressed immediately using appropriate cleaning agents. Attention should be paid to details, like ensuring there's no paint residue on hardware or fixtures.
That's good to know. What's the final step?
The final step is to clean up equipment and tools thoroughly, so they're ready for the next day. The
Daily
company
cleanup
strives to
is
provide
essential for a
high-quality
successful
service and
painting
maintain a
project.
safe work environment. It's reassuring to know that our team is committed to keeping the workspace clean.